Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate how to make subtitles appear word by word using CapCut on both mobile phones and PCs. Let's get started. If you're using CapCut on your phone, this process will be very easy. First, click on the text option, then select Auto Caption and click Start. Wait a moment, and the software will automatically generate subtitles based on the audio in the video. There you have it. Next, choose the Style option. Here, you can customize the font and effects according to your preferences. Select Animation, and then Caption. This is where you can choose how the text appears, one word at a time. I will choose Spring,
Hello everyone,
and that's it.
welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate how to make subtitles appear word
It's
by
quite
word
simple,
using
right?
CapCut.
Now, for CapCut on PC, you won't find this option directly. However, I will show you a little trick to achieve the same effect. First, go to the text section and select Auto Caption, just like you would on your phone. Next, choose Typewriter. You will notice that the captions appear word by word, but they are a bit faster than they sound. No worries. Simply select the caption and drag the duration bar to the right. Let's see the difference. Word by word using CapCut on both mobile phones and PCs. To make the caption display only one word at a time, go to the Caption section. Click in the middle of each word and press Enter to separate them into separate lines. That's it. Now let's review the results. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate how to make subtitles appear word by word using CapCut on both mobile phones and PCs. You can also try some other effects that produce the same result as the typewriter effect. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and consider subscribing to my channel to support me. See you in the next videos.